how to use your cycle to conceive either a baby boy or a baby girl. Once you understand your cycle, that is your menstrual cycle, the next thing will be for you to know how you can use this cycle to conceive. So how do you use your menstrual cycle to conceive? Or how do you use your menstrual cycle to conceive either a baby boy or a baby girl? Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in on this episode of our discussion. On today's discussion, we are going to explain using this board how you can use your menstrual cycle help you conceive a baby boy or a baby girl. We do understand that at the end, God has a final say, but there are some things that you can do to optimize your chances. Thank you so much. Please, if you are clicking on our channel for the very first time, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. So let's get going. So we are going to put some numbers here. But first, please make sure that you understand how to calculate your cycle, because we will not be explaining how you calculate your cycle again. Try to check our video on that, so that will be easier for you to understand this. Now, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we are going to end at 23. Our reason is because the lowest cycle, averagely the lowest cycle is 21-day cycle. And ovulation for 21-day cycle, please make sure you check our video on the menstrual cycle so that you understand this again. Ovulation for lowest menstrual cycle is day 7. 7 is the ovulation day. And ovulation for the longest cycle is day 21. So we have to understand something about the sperm cell. The sperm cell, your sperm cell is something that is made up of the X and the Y. So sperm cell is made up of X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. So whenever you ejaculate, we have about 20 million being ejaculated into the female genital tract or into the vagina. Within that, you have X chromosomes there, you have Y chromosomes there. These X chromosomes, if you meet with an egg of a woman, which is also made up of XX, the egg of a woman is made up of XX chromosomes. So if you meet with this egg, what happens is that you are going to have a baby girl. So you're going to have XX, a baby girl. But if Y meets with the egg, you are going to have a baby boy. You are going to have a baby boy. So within this semen that is going to be produced, you are going to have what? The X, you are going to have X and Y sperm cells in it. What are the characteristics of this X sperm cells? Their characteristics is that they are generally slower as compared to Y products. They are generally slower, but they are able to resist this environment. So they can resist this environment for a period longer as compared to Y. So because of that, we see that if your ovulation occurs, let me say 3 days ahead, you have intercourse today, the probability of the resisting and waiting for that egg is higher. So it therefore means that if you are the shortest menstrual cycle, your ovulation occurs on day 7, it therefore means that intercourse around day 5 could give you a baby baby girl. Because these eggs are generally slower. But why sperm cells, they are generally faster, but they don't they cannot resist the environment for a longer period of time. So it therefore means that for Y, if you need a baby boy to have Y, then intercourse should occur around a 7, which is the ovulation day for somebody who is 21. If you are 28 day cycle, if you are 35 day cycle, sorry, your ovulation occurs on day 21, it will mean the same thing. So having intercourse before, like 3 days before, like the 18 or the 19, could give you a baby girl, because these eggs that is slower could wait for this egg cell that will be released on the ovulation day. But if you need a baby boy, have intercourse on the 21, there is a higher probability. Let's go to a more popular menstrual cycle, which is the 28. Ovulation occurs on the 14, isn't it? Ovulation occurs on the 14. So if you want a baby boy, intercourse around on this day, there is a probability of you having a baby boy. While if you want a baby girl, then it should be around the 12th. So that is just the science behind it. I really do hope that this is going to help our ladies. Please, if you've not followed our demonstration on the menstrual cycle, please do your best to understand how you can calculate your menstrual cycle, you can get your ovulation, how you can get your fertile window. With that, you will be able to understand this much more better. If you have any question, please put in the comment section or send us a WhatsApp message on 00237 666 006 00237 666 006 Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We are all check your health and maintain your wealth. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are still to. May God bless you. See you in the next video.